Hello children, in this video we are going to see test for divisibility of numbers. Now children, first is divisibility by 2. If you want to check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, what is the test for it children? The test is a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its one place. Now if I want to see whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, I will just see the number at unit place, and if it is even number, means if it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is definitely divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. The whole number is divisible by 2 because the unit number is 6. Here children, yes, it is divisible by 2 because this whole number is divisible by 2 because the unit number is 8 here. Now children, if I ask you whether this number is divisible by 2, what you are going to see? The number at the unit place. If it is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is. Here it is 2, then it is divisible by 2. This whole number is divisible by 2. Now children, what is the divisibility test for 3? If you want to check whether the number is divisible by 3, then what we have to do? The test is if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Suppose if I ask you, tell me whether 25 is divisible by 3 or not, then what is the test? 2 plus 5, that is 7. It is not a multiple, so this number is not divisible by 3. Now children, if I ask you 37, you are going to do the sum of these two numbers. 3 plus 7, that is 10. 10 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Now see children, if I show you this number and if I ask you, is it divisible by 3? You will do the sum of all the digits. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Plus 1, 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now children, what is the divisibility by 4? A number with 3 or more digit is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digit is divisible by 4. Now children, if this is 3-digit number, isn't it children? Now I will see if last two numbers are divisible by 4. Now if 12 is divisible by 4, completely divisible? Yes. So this number is divisible by 4. Now children, this is 9532. If I ask you whether this number is divisible by 4, you are going to see last two numbers. If it is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Now children, see. Here it is 2856. Now if I ask you whether this number is divisible by 4, you are just going to see the number at last two numbers and check whether they are completely divisible by 4 or not. Yes, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Understood children? Now divisibility test. Divisibility by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its one place, then it is divisible 5. Now see children, what is there in the units place? 5. This whole number is divisible by 5. What is here children? 0. So this whole number is divisible by 5. Again this here it is 5. Whole number is divisible by 5. Here this is so big number children. So if I will see just the unit number, it is 5. So the whole number is divisible by 5. Now what is the divisibility test by 6? Now children, here if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. It means what children? Suppose if I give you number 9, it is divisible by 3 but it is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now suppose children I give you 18. 18 is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 2. So it will be divisible by 6. Understood children? It means what, children? Suppose here I write 10. It is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 2, but it will not be divisible by 6. It means what? To set the divisibility test for 6 is that the number which is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is definitely divisible by 6. Now children, divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digit is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Now see children, here this is the number. Now here I will see the last 3 numbers whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 4 are 32. Yes, this is completely divisible. So this whole number is divisible by 8. Understood, children? Now, divisibility test by 9. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. It means what, children? If the sum of the digits of the number, see here, sum of the digit means what? 3 plus 0 plus 8. What is it? 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it divisible by 9? No. So this number is not divisible by 9. Now here, children, 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8. What it will give you? 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. Then this number is divisible by 9. Now children, divisibility test, divisibility of 10. If the number has 0 in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 10. Here, see, in the unit place, if it is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Whole number is divisible by 10. Now, what is the divisibility by 11 now, children? Now, here they are telling, find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digit at even places from the right of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Now see children, here this number is there. Okay, now here I will do the addition of these numbers. 1, 3, 5 and 7 means 5 plus 9. Now children, if you add these numbers at the odd places, see, 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7, that will give you 24, and 6 plus 8 plus 1, that will give you 15. Now if you find the difference, you will find that it is 9. So this number is not divisible by 11. So this number is also not divisible by 11. It should be 0 here, or it should be, the number here should be divisible by 11, that the number is divisible by 11. Now let's see the next example. Now see children, here number is 5445 and I have to see whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Now see children, what they are telling you, first, this is first, second, third and fourth. First and third will be added. 5 plus 4, that will give me 9, and these two will be added. 4 plus 5, that will again give me 9, and if I find that difference, it is 0. It means that what is the test, divisibility test for 11? It should be 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Here it is 0. It means that this number 5445 is divisible by 11. Understood children? Now let's see the C question. That is 1331. Now children, again 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. See, here I will add 1 plus 3, that will give me 4, and here I will add 3 plus 1, that will again 4. But then after finding this, I have to do the difference. I have to find, this is 4 minus 4, that will give me 0. It means that this number is divisible by 1331 is divisible by 11. Understood children? Now here we have seen the test for divisibility of numbers. In the next video, we are going to solve exercise 3.3 children.